Hello friends, today we discuss about MCQ in polity. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. In which year was Rajya Sabha constituted for the first time? Options are 1950, 1951, 1952 and 1953. Right option is option number C, 1952. The Rajya Sabha or Council of States in the upper house of the Parliament of India, Article 80 of the Constitution lays down the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha as 250, out of which 12 members are nominated by the President. The present strength of Rajya Sabha is 245, including 12 nominated members. One third of the members retired every 2 years. The Rajya Sabha was formed on 3 April 1952. So next question is the Rajya Sabha consists of options are 280 members, of which 20 members are nominated by the President of India, 275 members of which 18 members are nominated by the President of India, 250 members of which 12 members are nominated by the President of India, 252 members of which 12 members are nominated by the President of India. So right option is option number C, 250 members of which 12 members are nominated by the President of India. Article 80 of the Constitution of India is about the compositions of the Constitution of Council of States. It states that there shall not be more than 238 representatives of the states and the union territories. The Council of States shall consist of 12 members nominated by the President of India. So next question is the representation of states in Council of State is based on options are equal for all states, ratio of their population, ratio of their area, ratio of their revenue. Right option is option number B, ratio of their populations. The representation of the state in Council of States is based on the ratio of the state's population's number of seats or representatives of a state in Rajya Sabha has been determined by the 4th schedules of the Constitution. So next question is consider the following statements. Union territories are not represented by the Rajya Sabha. It is within the purview of the Chief Election Commissioner to adjudicate the election disputes. According to the Constitution of India, the Parliament consists of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha only. Which of the four statements given above is correct? Only 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 3 and none of the above. Right option is option number D, none of the above. The Union territories are represented in the Council of States. There are 3 seats for Delhi, 1 seat for Puducherry and 4 seats for Jammu and Kashmir in the Council of States. Election disputes are adjudicated by judiciary in the mode of election petitions. According to Article 79, Parliament consists of President, House of the People, Council of State, and thus all the statements are wrong. So next question is the members of Council of States are elected by options are member of Legislative Assembly of States, members of Legislative Council of States, members of both Legislative Assembly and Councils, members of municipalities and Gram Panchayat. Right option is option number A, members of Legislative Assembly of States. According to Article 80, Clause 4 of the Constitution, the representatives of each state in the Council of States shall be elected by the elected members of the Legislative Assembly of the state in accordance with the proportional representation by means of single transferable votes. So next question is what is the tenure of a member of Council of States? 3 year, 5 year, 6 year and 2 year. Right option is option number C, 6 year. According to section 83 clause 1, the Council of State is the upper house or permanent house of the Parliament. It is not just to dissolutions but nearly as possible 1/3 of the members thereof shall retire as soon as may be on the expirations of every 2nd year. The tenure of the members of the Council of State is 6 years. So next question is members of Rajya Sabha is elected. Options are for 4 years, for 5 years, for 6 years, for lifelong. So right option is option number C, for 6 years. So next question is the Rajya Sabha is called the permanent house because all members are lifelong. It cannot be dissolved. Some members retired after every 2 years. Both B and C are correct. Right option is option number B. cannot be dissolved. Rajya Sabha is called permanent house because it cannot be resolved. So next question is, according to our constitution, the Rajya Sabha is dissolved once in 2 years, is dissolved every 5 years, is dissolved every 6 years, is not subject to dissolution. Right option is option number D. According to our constitution, the Rajya Sabha is not subject to dissolution. So next question is, right to dissolution, the Rajya Sabha is vested in President, Vice President, Supreme Court, and none of the above. Right option is option number D, none of the above. So next question is, which one of the following statements about Rajya Sabha is correct? It is not subject to dissolution. Its members are chosen by direct election for territorial constituencies in the states. It is required to choose as soon as may be a member of Rajya Sabha to be the chairman thereof. The Attorney General of India does not have the right to speak in Rajya Sabha. Right option is option number A. It is not subject to dissolutions. Only the first statement is correct. Its members are elected by the elected members of the Legislative Assembly's Article 80, Clause 4. The tenure of the members of the Council of State is 6 years, and 1/3 members are retired after every 2 years. The Council of States shall not be subject to dissolution. The Vice President of India is ex officio chairman of the Council of States, and the Attorney General of India has the right to speak in both the House of the Parliament. So next question is, how is Rajya Sabha dissolved? Options are at the end of the chairman's tenure, President dissolve after 5 years, dissolve with the Lok Sabha automatically, none of the above. Right option is option number D, none of the above. Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved by options are President, Prime Minister, Council of State, none of the above. Right option is option number D, none of the above. So next question is, the number of members nominated by the President in Rajya Sabha is options are 10, 15, 12 and 20. Right option is option number C, 20, 50, 12. Right option is option number C, 12. According to Article 80, the President may nominate 12 persons in Rajya Sabha belongs to the area of literature, science, art and social services. So next question is, the President may nominate in Council of State total 10 members, 2 members, 15 members and 12 members. Right option is option number D. Right option is option number D, 12 members. So next question is, the first actress to be nominated to Rajya Sabha. Options are Jayalalita, Nargis Dutt, Vijayan Thimala and Devika Rani. Right option is option number B, Nargis Dutt. Nargis Dutt was the first Indian actress nominated to Rajya Sabha in 1980. Her tenure was from 3 April 1918 to 3 May 1981. So next question is, which one of the following statement is correct regarding Rajya Sabha? 1/3 of each member retired every 2 years, 1/2 of each member retired